Oh, hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Comparator Mirror booster kit, or rather how to set it up alongside all the basic instructions I gave you for your Comparator Mirror kit in how to build a Comparator Mirror. So if you're watching this video, it's because you've taken the time to email us and we've sent you a Comparator Mirror booster kit, which I assume is now in your hands. And perhaps you're wondering how to put this all together in just the right way to optimize your Comparator Mirror painting experience. So putting a basic Comparator Mirror booster kit together is not rocket science, or at least it's designed not to be, but just for those people who are feeling a little bit nervous about getting their hands dirty, I thought I would just show you how to do it, and then we've got all our bases covered. So how do we begin to build our basic Comparator Mirror booster kit? Well, you'll have two plastic components, you'll have three standard 10mm magnets, another magnet with a hole in it, a carbon fibre boom arm, and of course, if you're amongst the first 200 of our participants, you're going to have a first surface mirror included in that pack as well. Oh, one other thing, these magnets pull together really strongly, so if that little donut magnet attracts to the others too quickly, it will shatter, and that will put you in quite a difficult spot. So the first thing you need to do is drill a 10mm hole into the base of the chassis that you've built already, hopefully. If you're confused by this, I showed you how to do it in our How to Build a Comparator Mirror video. And remember that this booster pack is just an addition to everything I showed you there. So with our 10mm hole drilled in our plywood, we now need to put one of our magnets into that with some strong glue. I'm using a 2-part epoxy glue, but any model glue is usually strong enough. And then making sure that you've got the polarity or the stickiness of the magnets just right, you need to put another one of those magnets into our little plastic base component, and it should fit perfectly with a little bit of persuasion, and you want to glue that as well. Then you want to stick the remaining standard magnet onto the back side of your mirror, and if you are one of the first 200 participants in this leg of our project, we will have sent you one of those for free. Remember that the mirrored surface is on the top side of the sheet of glass, and that indicates which is the back side, and so which needs the magnet stuck to it. Then a remaining magnet, shaped like a little donut, needs to go on the top of our boom arm component. So that's the one with the little pin to align that magnet. So if your magnets are nice and flat and the polarities are correct so that they will stick to each other, you should be on track to build your Comparator Mirror boom arm. All you need to do now is take your carbon fibre rod and place that into the corresponding holes to join up all the elements of our boom arm. Then, once all of that is left to dry, providing that we have got the sticky sides of our magnets corresponding to each other nicely, you will end up with a boom arm that clicks together in no time at all and presents a mirror at exactly the right angle to enjoy making confident, beautiful comparisons of colour and tone and shape, and unlocking the mysteries of realistic drawing and painting for yourself. As a last caveat, you'll notice that the boom arm component can rotate on the magnet stuck into the base. That's something that can be a little bit problematic, but if you look over the top of the mirror and line it up with the seam on the chassis where the two pieces of plywood meet, that will guarantee that your mirror is correctly aligned from left to right. Good luck with assembling your Comparator Mirror kit using our booster kit. And I will see you very soon for, well, a tour of this fantastic manor house that I'm now living and working in, and some more news about our progress with the Comparator Mirror. See you next time.